Greetings from Great Used Auto Sales in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2024 Chevrolet TRAX ACTIV model. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out. White color with those sporty black wheels. Sunroof, loaded up with leather inside. Really outstanding condition. ACTIV package. Let's go ahead and give it a quick walk around, and then we'll take it panel by panel and show you the condition of the vehicle. Really nice shape. Beautiful condition. So nice. Look at that. Really nice condition. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the front bumper. Front bumper's in outstanding shape. Looks beautiful. Really outstanding condition. Look at that. Take a look at the headlamps. Beautiful shape. Lower lights also in beautiful condition. Very nice. This has an upgraded grille because it's an ACTIV package. Has those bow tie emblems. Looks amazing. Take a look at the other headlamp on the driver's side. Beautiful condition. Lower light also in beautiful shape. Very nice. Quick look at the hood. Hood's in beautiful condition. No marks, no scratches on it. Looks brand new. Very nice condition. Really amazing shape. All right, let's take a look at the front fender on the driver's side. Beautiful shape. Clean throughout, very nice condition. Super clean. Taking a look at the driver's door's in beautiful shape. Super clean throughout. Don't see any marks or anything to show here. Very nice condition. All right, taking a look at the rear door on the driver's side. Beautiful condition, clean throughout. Very nice shape. Quarter panel on the driver's side also in beautiful condition. Beautiful condition throughout, very nice. Take a look at the hatch in the back. Beautiful condition. Super clean, very nice shape, really nice condition. Rear spoilers in beautiful shape, also upgraded for the package. Look at that, looks amazing. Let's take a look at the quarter panel here on the passenger side. Beautiful shape, clean throughout, very nice condition. Take a look at the rear door on the passenger side, also in beautiful shape. Looks clean throughout, very nice shape. Front door on the passenger side, beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice shape. Front fender on the passenger side also in beautiful condition, clean throughout. Windshield's in beautiful shape, no scratches, no chips on it, looks amazing. Here's the sunroof on top here, looks beautiful. Very nice condition. Really nice shape on the roof here, looks amazing. Look at that, amazing condition all the way through. Very nice. Okay, well that concludes our walk around on this one. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior. Then we'll take it for a quick test drive. We'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition, really nice shape. Looks super clean throughout. Take a look at the armrest, amazing condition. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, beautiful condition. Take a look at the stitching here. Matches the seats, very nice. A little bit of storage there on the bottom. Take a look at the driver's seat. Driver's seat's in amazing condition. Looks beautiful, clean throughout, very nice condition. Full power with lumbar, very nice. Take a look at the interior. Dashboard, steering wheel, everything looks brand new on this one. Very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the passenger side front door. Door panel's in beautiful condition, outstanding shape. Look at that, very nice condition. Really amazing shape. Look at the stitching here, beautiful detail. Armrest is in beautiful condition. Take a look at the passenger seat, beautiful shape, ACTIV model. Look at that, looks amazing. Perforated in the center, looks beautiful. Full set of floor mats, all weather. Very nice condition, really beautiful shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear driver's side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful shape. Look at that, amazing condition. Armrest is in beautiful shape. Take a look at the rear seats, beautiful condition all the way through. Looks very nice. Really amazing shape. Really nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear passenger side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Really nice shape. Look at the armrest, beautiful condition. Let's take a look at the rear seat. Rear seat's also in beautiful shape. Look at that, amazing condition. Looks super clean throughout, very nice. Full set of floor mats, all weather. Take a look here, USBs in the center console for the rear passengers. Back of the seats are in beautiful shape. Really nice condition. Take a look at the liner. Liner's in beautiful condition. Really outstanding shape. Looks amazing. Okay, we're sitting inside this 2024 Chevrolet TRAX ACTIV model. We're going to go ahead and start this baby up. There's a key fob for it. Check it out. Super nice. Lock, unlock, remote start, and panic. We're going to set the key down right here. This one's a push button start. So we have a button right here we're going to push. So we got to press the brake, push the button. Starts right up. Perfect. Oh yeah, look at that. Beautiful screen. Amazing. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a closer look now. We'll bring down the fan a little bit so you guys can hear me clearly. Okay, the mileage on this one is 17,432 miles. Super nice, has so many features here. Okay, that little car on the top right, that lets you know what's the distance between you and the vehicle in front of you. That's the temperature gauge, fuel gauge. It's got the compass there on the left top. And those two little lines that are showed up right there, those are the lines for when you're inside the lane. It's got a button here for you could turn it off, on and off. So we have that on. Super nice. Miles till empty, 169 miles. It shows you it's in park. Let me show you here the RPMs. When you accelerate, look what it does. Really nice. Miles per hour in the center. Very nice. Okay, let's check out the turning signals. Work perfect. Highlights, also perfect. Okay, let's see some of the other features. This vehicle does have automatic lights, you can see there. Okay, we're taking a look at the controllers for the power windows, power locks. Beautiful shape, very nice. Really amazing condition. Super nice. There's a control for the wipers and for the highlights, front and rear wipers. Okay, this one has a heated steering wheel. You can press that button to turn it on. This is for the cruise control here on the left. This is for the gap, for the collision alert. So right now it's further distance. You can adjust the distance. Further is better, safer. Okay, this is the control for the radio. And on the back, you have the volume controls here. And on the other side, you have the station controls right here. Okay, super nice. Leather wrap steering wheel looks amazing. Look at that. Super nice, man. Really nice touch. Okay, let's take a look at the dashboard. Dashboard's in beautiful condition. It's got the accents for the Activa package. Look at that. Super nice. That yellow looks so sharp. Look at that. Amazing. Dashboard, steering wheel, everything looks brand new on this one. All right, so we'll look at the information center in a moment. Let's go ahead and take a quick look here at the AC controls. So this one has a one zone. You could set the zone there, put it on automatic if you'd like. This is to control the fan. This is to turn on and off the recycle right here. You have heated seats for the driver and passenger in the front. That's a nice feature for you guys up north that need that. So this little display here shows you the fan. Then the other display shows you the temperature you're asking for. The center buttons here are for the vents, and this is for the front and rear defrost. Okay, down below here you have USBs, power plug right there. This one's really nice. It has a charging pad here for your phone, so you set your phone down here, it'll charge as long as you have wireless charging with your phone. This is the bypass for the engine off right there. I just turned it off right there. So you press the button, it's on. So when this button is on, it's been deactivated. So we leave it deactivated now. This for the lane assist right there. Automatic transmission. Power brake release. Super nice. Really nice condition on this one. All right, let's go ahead and take a closer look here at the information center. We're trying to find a spot you don't have much of a glare. I think that's going to work right there. That's nice. Okay, so let's take a look here. Settings. These are the system settings, vehicle settings, app settings. So you can click here on vehicle and then collision. Let's see what the safety features are this one has. This one has automatic braking, front pedestrian braking, braking and alert, adaptive cruise control, adaptive cruise notification, lane change alert, rear cross traffic. Super nice. A lot of safety features on this one. That's really nice. All right, let's go back again here to home. Climate. Shows you the AC controls there. That's so nice. Go back again. And right here you have your Apple CarPlay and your Android Auto. So if you click this here, you can go ahead and connect to your phone, to your Apple phone. And then this one here, you have to go ahead and connect it through a wire. Okay, so let's go back here to maintenance now. Trip computer, gauges. It shows you the coolant temperature, the battery voltage. Shows you the last oil change. It shows you tire pressure sensors. Super nice. Traction control controls are there on the screen. Phone controls. Let's go here. Phone controls. So you have your phones. You can manage the phones through there. Let's go back to the radio. So right now it's on 92. If you click there, you can change the source. So you can add a device, XM radio, AM, FM. Go back again here. We'll go back to home again. Super nice. That's pretty much it on this one on the interior. Next step, we're going to go ahead and check out the sunroof. Take a look here. We have a courtesy light here in the center. Super nice. OnStar, your passenger airbag light. Controls for the sunroof. Let's take a look at the visor real quick here. Super nice there. Amazing. Okay, that's amazing. All right, so we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna test out the sunroof now when we take it for a drive, and we'll open up during the drive there. Pretty much it. Let's take a look at the liner. Liner's in beautiful shape. Looks amazing. Really nice condition. Super clean. Vehicle's super nice inside. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and take it for a test drive in a moment. We'll be right back. Okay, we're all set. We have it in drive already. We're gonna take it for a little spin. Here we go. Super smooth, drives really nice. Look at that. Super nice drive. So quick. All right, we're gonna go ahead and turn in here. Super nice, super acceleration on this one. Feels really quick. Amazing drive. Really a nice drive. Okay, next step, we're gonna go ahead and check out the backup camera on this one. And then that'll complete our test drive. Here we go. I'm gonna find a little spot here and we'll back up. Put in reverse. There you go. Look at that. See those lines there on the screen? When you turn your steering wheel, it shows you which way you're gonna roll back. That is so nice. Here we go. Just following the screen here. Straighten out. Really nice. There you go. All right. Amazing. So now we're gonna really quickly, we're gonna open the sunroof up, test it out for you. We're gonna go ahead and put it back. There it is. Close it up again. And then we'll pop it up, pop it back down. Fantastic. All right. Well, that pretty much concludes our test drive on this one. Stay tuned, guys. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at the tires, take a look under the hood, and look at the cargo area. We'll be right back. Okay, we're looking at the cargo area in the back. Beautiful shape back here, look at that. Rug's in beautiful condition. It's got a little bit of storage there on the side. Beneath here, we have our spare tire with all the tools beneath it. Very nice. Beautiful shape. All right, we're taking a look here at the little cover for the rear. That is super nice. Amazing shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the engine compartment. Engine compartment is clean and in beautiful condition. Look at this. Really outstanding shape. Look at that. Really amazing condition all the way through. Look at that. Very nice shape. Looks brand new. Let's take a look at the emission sticker. Look at that. Beautiful shape. Looks amazing. Really nice condition. Okay, we'll take a look at the front tire. Front tire on the driver's side, amazing condition, looks really nice. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Very nice condition all the way through. Looks amazing. Super nice. Taking a look at the rear tire. Rear tire on the driver's side, beautiful shape. Very nice. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Really nice shape. Super, super clean. Okay, we'll take a look at the rear tire on the passenger side. Tire's in amazing shape, look at that. Really nice tire tread on there. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Look at that, amazing condition. Okay, we'll take a look at the front tire. Front tire on the passenger side. Tire looks amazing. Good amount of tread on there. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Look at that, very nice condition. Okay, well that's going to conclude our video for this 2024 Chevrolet TRAX Active model. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. GreatUsedAutosales.com. Thanks for watching.